what's up, guys? As you see by the title, I just tried to be a little bit different. I got the inspiration off Pinterest, and I'm gonna put the username that I got the Pinterest from, but the person said on Pinterest that all the photos that they use is from the Chinese app Rednote. But so if you know the username or their Instagram on the American side or anything, just leave it down because I don't know. But I got the inspiration from them. I have the picture up. And yeah, I couldn't do the stars, so I was just basically doing circles. I was just winging it. I feel like I did good on everything but this. But yeah, my friend said it looks nice. It's just different. Watching if you want to see me being different. So for this tutorial, guys, I'm really not going to talk that much because you really just have to like watch, because like the colors are like, I'm just going by the picture, so I'm just going to put like the name of the color that I'm using so you can like follow with each color. And also for the designs, it's really just like me doing circles. Instead of doing stars, I'm doing like the circles and then put another circle around and then make it a long line. But y'all will see when I get there. Hey, I'm back. It's so weird not talking in a makeup tutorial, but I'm basically just putting the same colors that I have on the top on the bottom. video, don't forget to comment. And you can comment anything you want, but also to let me know you watched the end of the video, comment my melody. These are the tweezers that my friend got me. It's a small size and a big size. And it's so cute, the little cover for it. Oh, I should have used these to put my lashes on. I thought they was both the same size. I really wasn't paying attention. I was just hurry up and open up the package to like use one real quick. But the thin ones, I mean, like, I feel like the thin ones are perfect for me putting on the eyelashes though. That's how I feel though. Yeah. But yes, and it's so cute. But yes, like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Peace out.